After all these years of BluMaan hair videos, I've somehow managed to miss out on an Asian hair type haircut video, and well, thanks to Tommy in the chair today, that's finally changing. Tommy is a men's fashion Instagrammer with over 800,000 followers. He's a super nice guy and he posts some sick looks, so if you're looking for some inspiration, check out the description. I'll have him linked down below. Daniel is given the cut today, and the first thing that we talked about is the sides. What I've learned from some of my Asian friends is that longer sides can be a pain because instead of laying down flat, Asian hair can be very straight and brittle, causing hair on the sides to stick out straight, which usually isn't complementing to the facial structure. So to deal with this, Daniel is going in nice and tight with a near skin fade. It's always a blast shooting haircuts with Daniel. Watching the amount of precision and care that he puts into every single cut is truly inspiring. So if you ever have a chance to check out his men's salon here in LA, I highly recommend, and I've got his place linked down below as well. At this point, we're moving into the blending section of the fade, creating a smooth transition from the zero guard at the bottom and slowly going a little longer towards the top. That said, we're keeping the whole cut really tight on the sides so that there's no room for any hair to stick out. Going back through with the details, leaving no chance for any stray, pesky hairs. Tommy's hair is already at a good length to play with a variety of styles, so all Daniel is doing is trimming away some of the drier hair towards the top. Thinning out the back a little to take down some bulk and getting ready for the styling. Now Tommy has already used our BluMaan products a lot, and his favorite is using Original by BluMaan as both a pre and post styler, so that's what we're going to do here today. As for the blow drying technique, Daniel wanted to build in some curls and waves with the diffuser, a couple finishing touches later, and the style is complete.